Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the increasingly vital world of solar energy. Let's explore the environmental and economic perks of solar panels. Starting with their basic function, converting sunlight into electricity. We'll look at the essential components: photovoltaic cells, inverters, batteries, and grid connections. Learn how these elements synergize to power homes and businesses. Keeping panels clean is crucial for peak performance, so we'll guide you through safe cleaning methods and the right equipment. We'll also cover inspecting panels for damage, ensuring optimal alignment for sunlight exposure, and regularly monitoring energy output via inverters or apps. Understanding normal performance ranges and tracking long-term data is key. We'll discuss the importance of annual professional inspections, what they involve, and why certifying experts are vital for handling common issues like inverter errors. Finally, we'll emphasize when to seek professional help over DIY fixes. Join us as we summarize these maintenance tips, stressing the significance of regular care for your solar panels' efficiency and longevity. Engage with us by subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content.